Why rely only on the canned cycles your machine builder gave you? Macromill puts the power back where it belongs, in your hands. This isn't just programming. It's creation. Real machining logic engineered by Macromill, proven on the floor, and shared with every member in the global Macromill network. Every macro you see was built for real parts and real results, cycles that think, calculate, and adapt to any challenge. From threading and facing to probing and helical milling, each one carries the DNA of precision, speed, and intelligence. And this library never stops growing. Every time one programmer advances, the entire Macromill network advances. Because progress is meant to be shared. Don't let a tool or a control system define your limits. A true programmer doesn't follow the machine, he leads it. No machine was made to control man. Man was made to push the machine to its limit. Join the elite CNC Macro Mastery Program today. Lifetime access. This is Macromill, where machinists become macro masters.